everybody. I finally got some projects done. Seems like it was forever since I've been on here, but it's been cold and snowy and it makes me feel like winter, and I hate winter, but I like the holidays and the decorations. The first thing I have to show you that I did was I took this cute little basket and filled it full of greenery and red picks, and it's got a package here and a bow and some pine cones. But it's not very big. I'd say it's about 8 inches long, 6 inches tall. It's real cute though, and I'll have this on my shop too. So. And here is my second project that I did. And what I did is I took a tin plate and filled it full of little Christmas bulbs and little pieces of ribbon and greenery. But it's like that all the way around. It's real cute, I think. It's low down. If you want a centerpiece that you can see your company, you could have this on the table. But and on this one, I took another basket, and this is a brand new basket, and I filled it full of greenery with some snow on it, some sticks that I got from the yard, some pine cones, some cranberries, and some little ribbon pokes here and there. But this is real cute, I think. I mean, I guess it's not cute. I guess it's kind of elegant, kind of. But yeah, it's one of my favorites that I did. But hope you like it too, and this will be on my shop too. Well, this one, I told Jim that every time I look at it, I tell him, oh, this is so cute. But it's got a Santa's sleigh in it, and it's got some presents in it, and some greenery, and pine cones, and some glitter. Jim hates glitter. And it's just in a tin can, and the Merry Christmas on it. I used my Cricut to print this out, and thought that was real cute add-on to it. But this would make a nice gift or nice table arrangement. And then on this one, I just got this done at about 4 o'clock this afternoon. And it's a crate. And I think I'm going to use my Cricut and put something here, like maybe peppermint lane or mistletoe or something. But it's stuffed full. It's got pine cones and greenery of all kinds, and the snow dipped ones, and the cranberries, and poinsettia. I think that's how you say that. And some little bit of white in there, and then filled it up, clear to the back. But I think this is real cute too. I say that about everything. I think it. I wouldn't show you if I didn't think it. If I thought it was not cute, I wouldn't show it. So, but it says Merry Christmas for sure. I simply love this one. It is, it really says elegant, but yet it says country too, farmhouse. You know, it's got the white, but I got greenery in there, and some, I think these are probably Christmas lilies. And I got some silver ribbon in here to match the tin basket that it's in. The bottom part of the basket is wicker. And then from the Dollar Tree, I found a reindeer that I thought matched this color of ribbon really well, and put some silver glitter on his antlers, and I just think this one turned out really pretty. And here's the back, and it'll be on my shop too. Well, I saved the smallest one for last, and I put Santa in a blanket of snow. Polyfill is what it is. And then it's a candle tart pan that he's in, and he's sitting here, and there's a tree beside him and some cranberries, and then I put this pretty pick in back of him, and he turned out really cute. He's not very big. He's probably only about 4 inches across this tortoise. Well, that's everything that I have to show you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I have some news to tell you, that when I was in my shop, my gift shop, I made candles in the back room, and the candles that I made were cake candles. They weren't in bottles. It seems like everyone, and I did pour some in bottles, but nobody makes cake candles anymore, and I don't even know if some of the young people know what a cake candle is, but it looks like a frosted cake, and I'm going to start making those, and when I get all my equipment pulled out of storage, I will have some demonstrations on how you frost the candles. I pour the candles in the molds, and then when they set, I frost them with some other color wax. But I always liked doing it, and I kept everything. I kept all the equipment, so I just thought I'm gonna try it on here and put it on my Etsy shop too. So I'm gonna be making some Christmas ones pretty soon. So but that's all I have today. I know I go on and on. I'm like a brook. I babble along. But wanted you to know about the candles, so you can keep your eye out for them if you're into candles. I know I am. But like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.